If I tell you that you can pass the PT test in just 7 days, you might think I'm crazy and that it can't be done. But what if it can be done? I'm not saying it's easy, it will be really hard. You will have to forget about everything in the world, stay focused, and believe in yourself. If you do things the right way, dedicate the entire week on preparation, you can get the PT score you want in just 1 week. Just watch this whole video and you will learn how to do it. Hello and welcome back everyone. I am Anurag and I am back with another informative video on the PT exam. And this time it is how to crack the PT exam in just 7 days. With all the latest techniques of 2024, especially after the PT AI was updated last month. You need to have faith, dedication and rigorous hard work that will take you there. Just watch the video till the end and like and subscribe if you haven't done that till now, and WhatsApp us for paid PT coaching anytime. For these 7 days, keep your work or your life or college, everything aside, because these 7 days will be extremely challenging for you. Now, can you take a guess of what I will ask you to do on the day 1? I'm sure majority of you will believe that it will be the practice questions on day 1, but that's wrong. What you need to do on the day 1 is to watch all the strategy videos of all the 20 tasks one by one and get yourself familiar with the exam and the modules. Make sure you understand what these questions expect from you, what they really need, which will lay the foundation for your preparation. Find the working templates for these 5 tasks: essay, summarize written text, summarize spoken text, retell lecture and describe image. So day 1 is for sharpening the weapons, and from day 2 we'll begin the war. You can watch them on our channel, or if you join us, you can watch them on our learning website as well. The real magic starts happening on day 2. I will straight away get to the point what you need to start doing from day 2. These things are very important, so please note it down with pen and paper. The list of things what you need to do from day 2 onwards is firstly start reading 1 hour. You can read articles, novels, books, but read every day rigorously. You can also go to sciencedaily.com and read many academic articles from there and try to read it a bit faster than you normally do. And don't just read, but comprehend it, meaning that you need to understand it properly. There would be some words that you may not be familiar with or don't understand. Ignore the scientific words there, but the other English language words, you Google it, you find it out and learn it. The second thing you need to do is listen for 60 minutes to native English lectures or podcasts. What I give to my students is a set of lectures and ask them to listen and understand them on a daily basis. The third thing that you need to do is focus on your spellings. Do a spelling test online. Just Google it and you will find a lot of them. Do it for 30 minutes. And then you pick up the templates that you identified on day 1 and memorize them for 30 minutes. Don't start practicing the questions with the templates straight away. These questions are easy and very high scoring when you use the templates. But you need to channel your efforts in the areas that need it. So you need to focus on the 6 modules that are high priority and contributes the most to your PT scores. These are read aloud, repeat sentence, reading fill in the blanks, reading and writing fill in the blanks, listening fill in the blanks, and write from dictation. No one can stop you from reaching a top score if you perfect these modules. I can give you a guarantee on that. Read aloud gives you around 40 marks to both your reading and your speaking scores. Repeat sentence gives around 35 marks to speaking and listening. Reading fill in the blanks, 30 marks to reading. Reading and writing fill in the blanks, 30 marks to reading as well as 30 marks to writing. Listening fill in the blanks, 15 points to writing and 15 points to listening. And write from dictation, around 40 points to writing and same to the listening. On the other hand, summarize written text, only 7 marks, and there is a template for it. Describe image, only 6 marks. Again, there is a template for it. Retell lecture, 10 marks to listening and speaking. And summarize spoken text, again 10 marks to listening and writing. Again, you have templates for them, and also the essays that give you 15 marks also have well tested templates. So always use templates for these questions. Just do simple maths and compare the two sets of modules I just discussed and think which one is more important. The modules that give you so many marks or the modules that give you only lesser marks. And that too, there are 100% working templates for them. Can you decide now? So now you know where you should focus for read aloud and repeat sentence. Practice them for 30 minutes every day. And for reading fill in the blanks, reading and writing fill in the blanks, listening fill in the blanks, and write from dictation. Important questions. Practice 20 questions on a daily basis. From day 3 to day 6, you need to repeat this exercise every day. Reading exercise, listening exercise, spelling exercise, and learning the templates. Additionally, continue with the number of questions that I had given earlier for you to practice the most important modules. Now, every day you also need to monitor how much you are scoring, whether your scores are improving or not. For speaking questions, you can record your responses on any free app and listen to them. How many times are you hesitating? How many times fumbling? That is the area you need to perfect. You can also test your pronunciation if you go to speechtexter.com and start speaking your answers and then see how much a normal AI is able to understand your words. You can also practice on Edutrainex learning website where you also get these things. Self-evaluation is the key to success. Let's see an example. Take reading fill in the blanks, and if you are doing 10 questions with 5 blanks each, so total is 50 marks. If you get 40, then you will cross 70. If you get 45, then you will cross 79. You need to do the same for all the questions and practicing and see whether you are getting the target scores or not. If you are using Edutrainex learning website, you get a detailed explanation for each questions, not just scores. Not like the other websites, our AI pinpoints what things are lacking in your response for all writing and all speaking questions. You will absolutely love it, just like our students do. On day 6, you also practice 5 to 10 questions for the task that use templates. What are they? Summarize written text, describe image, retell lecture, summarize spoken text, and essays. The day 7 is very crucial day for your preparation. What you need to do is to book the official PTE mock test and make sure you have a good microphone. Get a Logitech mic. They are quite good, but a corded one is better, not the Bluetooth ones. Otherwise, your speaking scores will be low, and it will also impact your reading and listening scores as well. Record your entire test using a screen recorder. Many free applications are available online. You can Google it, and also there is a Chrome extension which allows you to do that. This is a paid test, the PTE official mock test, around $36. Now let's say you gave the exam and you wanted 79 score but did not get it. Check the recording, why it happened. Was there any mic issues or something else? But there is no impact of mic on your writing scores. How much did you get there? If you didn't get 79 in writing, then you are not ready, my friend, for the real exam, because it is the same AI that checks in the real exam as well. If you didn't get your desired score here, you won't get it in the real exam as well. 100% guarantee. Find out what mistakes you did in the mock test. Watch the recording you did while taking the test. I'm sure you will find you made mistakes in right from dictation, listening fill in the blanks, reading fill in the blanks, and reading and writing fill in the blanks as well. But if you do get your desired scores here, that means you are ready for the PT exam. The answers for the official mock test, you can just Google and find them. If you didn't get your desired scores, then you need to accept there are issues in your English skills and you need more time and more effort. It won't just happen. I know you have pressure from your agents and the colleges to get the score, but language skills development does take time. Otherwise, just giving the actual exam, only a miracle can take you to your desired score. Continue the same routine for as long as it takes to see your desired scores in the official mock test, which is not as costly as the actual exam. Start thinking about yourself and then analyze what mistakes you are still making. Spend a little time on it, doing that, and you will surely find you are making mistakes. Doing all these things will actually improve your English skills. Don't forget that PT is an English language exam. And if you think you have lost directions completely, then WhatsApp us for paid PT coaching. We are helping hundreds of students and we will get your desired scores. I will be back soon with another informative video on PT soon, because that's the way you crack the PT exam. Till then, I would like to recommend you to watch the video on the PT exam day tips. Very useful just before you appear for your exam.